FPL Wildcard explained. How to play Wildcard on FPL. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, type Premier League at the search bar and click on the official website here. So if you're not signed in, go ahead and click on the sign in button. Enter your email address and password and click on sign in. So once you're here, hover over Fantasy and click on Fantasy. So you'll want to go to Transfers over here and not Pick Team. So you'll only be able to activate Wildcard once the season has started, and you can see there's still a deadline here. So you'll get 2 wildcards per season and it'll be available for each half of the season. Once the season starts, you'll see Play Wildcard option right over here. And all you'll need to do is come down and click on the players that you want to replace. And you'll see Replace option here once the game has started. And just replace however many players that you like. And you'll see a point deduction here, but by using your wildcard, no points will be deducted. So you'll just need to click on Play Wildcard and come down here and click on Make Transfers. So when you activate your wildcard, you'll be able to make changes until the next deadline. But once activated, it won't be cancelled. So when you click on Play Wildcard here and come down and replace the players and then click on Make Transfers, then that means that your wildcard has officially been activated. So basically, it allows you to make unlimited transfers until the game week deadline, and all transfers in the game week are free. So this is how to play Wildcard on FPL. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.